Imagine you are scrolling through TikTok. You are not planning to buy anything. Suddenly, a video begins. Stop buying expensive skincare before you understand this mistake. You pause. The creator explains the problem, shows a solution, shares results, and says, link is in the bio. You click, read the reviews, and perhaps buy the product. How did a random video create a possible sale? This is the AIDA model. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, action. It explains the psychological journey people usually follow before making a decision. The first stage is attention. Before people can buy something, they must notice it. This is difficult online because people scroll quickly, skip advertisements, and move between videos within seconds. Marketing can grab attention through a strong question, surprising fact, bold visual, relatable problem, or clear promise. For example, why your website is losing customers. Before buying a laptop, check this. Attention makes people stop, but stopping is not enough. The second stage is interest. Interest makes people stay and learn more. It can be created through useful information, stories, explanations, demonstrations, or customer problems. For example, a fitness video may begin by saying, exercise alone may not help you lose weight. That gets attention. The explanation about diet, sleep, and consistency builds interest. The third stage is desire. Desire begins when people start wanting the solution. Customers do not only buy products because of their features. They buy the results those products may provide. A course does not only sell video lessons, it sells skills, confidence, and career opportunities. A food brand does not only sell cake, it sells taste, enjoyment, comfort, and experience. A feature says, this phone has a large battery. A benefit says, you can use the phone all day without worrying about charging. Strong marketing helps people imagine a better situation. The final stage is action. Action means the person does what the business wants. They may buy, subscribe, download, book, call, or sign up. This usually happens through a clear call to action, such as buy now, start your free trial, book a free call, subscribe for more. AIDA must work as a complete journey. Attention makes people stop. Interest makes them listen. Desire makes them want the solution. Action tells them what to do next. For example, a restaurant may post a video showing melted cheese over loaded fries. The visual creates attention. The caption explains when the food is available, creating interest. Positive reviews build desire. Order now creates action. The same model works in advertisements, emails, websites, landing pages, and YouTube videos. A headline creates attention. The explanation creates interest. Benefits and testimonials create desire. The button or link creates action. Many marketing campaigns fail because one stage is missing. Some content gets attention but offers no value. Some explains the product but creates no desire. Some builds desire but gives no clear action. The simplest definition is this. AIDA is a marketing model that moves people from attention to interest, from interest to desire, and from desire to action. The next important topic is the messy middle, the stage where customers compare, hesitate, leave, return, and finally decide.